there? No, is that? Oh, 1K, look, sneaky bugger.
Where?
1K up there.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, up there.
Oh, there's another one. Is that a 1K there as well?
What?
That looks like 1K.
I can't see. Yeah, that's 1K, that's 1K.
That says 1K. That silk screen's a bit unclear.
Yeah, I'm not sure if you can see that.
Means we have one left, so we have the exact number. Cool bananas. 3 more.
I just like the noise this makes when it touches the pad. Psst.
Yeah. Psst.
Flat
Iron, flat iron. Always the most important thing with a chisel tip. There you go. Perfect. So how many digits is a kilo?
3.
3. Oh, can you get in there at an angle?
Yes.
Hey, cheeky bugger, that one.
The pictures on the screen, the pictures that they've got in the instructions are crazy detailed. I mean, like.
I know, there's a lot of detail, isn't there?
How do we change the camera on this?
So you go up here and you click desktop plus camera.
Yep.
Yeah.
Nah.
Yeah, the pictures are just
so detailed. I mean, like,
pretty good, aren't they?
Yeah.
I'm very impressed.
Yeah.
Check it out, so you can look, the band's missing.
Ah!
The band's missing on one side.
Oh.
The band's missing. And you gotta flip it over. That's hilarious. Anyway.
Can I have a good look?
Yep. And rotate it, and there's no
missing resistor band. Oh my god.
missing resistor band. You'll memorise the colour code one day, Sagan. Haven't taught you really the colour code yet.
Nah.
Good work.
Trying to.
Yep.
That sounds like a great slogan.
Great slogan, huh?
Yeah, for a company. At Sizzle and Sounds.
Okay.
We've been studying advertisement at school.
You've been studying advertising at school in English?
Yeah.
Really?
And we've made our own ads and stuff.
Ads and stuff. Oh, okay. Cool. All right. Well, I'm not sure that's a good thing to be teaching kids at school, but okay. All right. Now, dude, everything else is just connectors left, because these are all test points. See these along here?
Yep.
They're all test points. And so we've got SCART connector, RS232 connector, and a pin header down here. Oh, they didn't give us the pin header, so we're not even soldering that in. That's just to reprogram our Atmel processor. So, Daddy likes soldering these.
Oh, I want to solder this one.
Okay, so they because they're just like lined up nicely, you know, they're just beautiful. Okay, let's do the RS232 connector, yeah?
Don't get in the trance.
Go for it. Beautiful, Sagan.
I could work for a soldering company. Except that's not what I want to be.
That's not what you want to be.
I want to be an astrophysicist.
You want to be an astrophysicist, Sagan?
Yep.
Yeah? Cool. Feed lots of solder into this bad boy.
Yeah, you can see why.
Keep going, keep going. Keep feeding that beast. Keep feeding that beast. You're a perfectionist?
Yes.
All right. Feed from that side. Shh. It'll eventually fill. See? It'll fill up like that.
Oh.
Beautiful. A little bit more, bit more, bit more. There you go. Look at that. Oh.
Super.
Yeah, super work. All
That's
right.
sizzle and sound.
All right.
That's sizzle and sound. Oh, that's just so catchy.
Right.
Zooming in on my watch.
Zooming in on your watch.
That's better. Nothing to really look at though.
They're really difficult to get those SCART connectors in.
If you could hear that, then.
Thump. Yeah, I know.
I mean, if you didn't hear that, this is what it was like.
Let's solder the PS2 connector there.
PS2.
PS2 connector. Oh, you got a bit of solder dag on that first one, I think. Yeah, there we go. 3 pins holding it to the board.
Different mini paint thing. That's this one's.
All right, and SCART connector. Too easy. Fine. Get on the metal ring. Because the heat has to transfer from the tip to the ring around the joint. So the iron tip has to be in contact with the pin, and the as much surface area of the tip has to be in contact with the pad as possible. And this
is my advice for if you don't have it flat. So if you don't have it flat, so put your solder iron on, put your solder on, and then if you don't have it flat, just twist your solder iron and it'll eventually
make contact, you think?
Yeah.
Right, but with a chisel tip, you shouldn't have to do that. A chisel tip should make...
Come on!
That's all right, heat it up again.
Done!
Done, like a dinner. Well done, Sagan. High five. All right, we did it.
Yeah.
That's the completed CB2. So what if we go over here and we...
Yeah, just about to switch to that.
Do we have to tick off? I wonder what...
Tick.
I don't think it actually does anything if we actually tick off all of
It might.
each individual resistor. Oh, how painful. But how very thorough.
Yeah.
How would you rate the instructions out of 10?
10 out of 10. Those are some super high quality instructions for sure.
I agree. Sagan?
Crazy high quality.
10 out of 10.
For these instructions.
Yeah, really good. We did solder a few things out of order. That's okay. Yeah, it doesn't give us anything. Before you begin assembly, required tool. Oh, and look, it shows you how to do it too. We didn't look down that far.
Shows you how to solder.
Yeah, it does.
Cool.
Yeah. Although the iron should be on the other. Oh, they've got a conical tip.
Oh.
That's a conical tip.
Wow.
Use a chisel. No, yeah, nice looking joint there.
Oh yes.
Yeah. So they're showing a good joint here. Okay,
Yep.
that's perfect. Nice fillet. Look at the,
Yeah.
there's a nice fillet, nice smooth fillet, nice and shiny. This one, you see how it's not. See how there's like a, that's like a cold joint. Okay.
Yeah.
It's okay.
It's fun.
It'll do it, but it's not as nice as the top one.
Yeah.
This one, haven't applied enough solder.
Come on.
And this one, oops, causes a bulge, slightly too much. It'll still work.
Oh.
And this is, that's
God.
just, no. I can't handle that one.
That's like
Extra flux. It's,
flux
so,
capacitor, fluxing.
wow. And this one,
Solder iron, soldering.
this is when you overheat your pad. It's lifted the pad. See how the pad's lifted off the board?
Whoa. I cannot bear talking that one.
Nah. It's pretty horrible.
Cannot bear.
So, there
That's
you go.
the worst in solder history.
Look at how. Look, and they show you step by step each part as well. Oh, it's just, it's crazy, dude. Connect the power. Next step is connect the USB to mini USB. USB side of this cable can be connected to USB device port. Yeah, the problem is, Sagan, is that we don't have a SCART monitor. Maybe we can go back to the other lab. We might have an old TV that has a SCART. I'm not sure. I've got two TVs there.
I'm hungry.
Hungry. Yeah, I agree.
Yeah.
Let's eat. Mate, awesome work. And we did it. Yeah? We'll maybe do power up in a different video, yeah? But this is just soldering. Yeah?
Probably power up.
Alright.
Who knows? Maybe we'll do it in the next 10 minutes.
Was that fun, Sagan?
Yeah.
Alright, Sagan, so how do you rate the CB2 kit as like a beginner soldering kit?
I'd probably say it's a pretty good soldering kit, around 9 out of 10, I'd
9 out of 10.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Pretty good beginner.
Yep. It's
Steps.
nice. And it's all through hole, so it's easy. It'd be easier if these were flat, if the resistors were flat.
Yeah, that's what I was going to say.
Right.
Yeah, I would have given it a 10 out of 10 if the resistors were flat. That's what
And the diodes,
simpler,
there was a bit more pitch, 0.4 inch pitch on the diodes, maybe. But apart from that, that's pretty groovy.
Yep.
Well done, Sagan. That's some good soldering work there, mate. Look at that. Let's show people. Let's show people. There you go. That looks pretty good, mate. It's pretty impressive work. We can clean that up with some flux remover. Top work, mate. Awesome. What do we say at the end of the video?
Catch you next time.
Bye.
Bye.